My child, don't regret anything. Everything that you have done was the best you knew at that time. The thought of what could have happened won't change a thing at this moment. You can only control your actions now. Your greatness is coming alive. Your light is shining brighter. Nothing or nobody can stop what's meant for you. Move towards your vision. Type yes to claim it. A wave of abundance, inspiration, and healing is hitting your life. Welcome it with open arms and be receptive to all of it. When you connect with the frequency of joy instead of holding back, you ascend into a higher state of existence as your vibration is rising. God, I am so sorry for the way I complain about my circumstances. Please forgive me for my bad attitude when things don't go my way. I know you have a beautiful plan for my life and have already showered me with more blessings than I can count. Type Amen if you believe in God and also subscribe.